and welcome back to our channel. I'm Janeta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. In the previous videos, I introduced our cruise and shared our visit to Shuri Castle in Okinawa. If you haven't seen them yet, feel free to check them out. Exploring the streets of Okinawa was a surprisingly peaceful experience. The quiet roads, with very few scooters, made crossing the streets a breeze. It was a nice change from Taiwan, where I often feel like I am taking a risk just crossing the road. Sorry Taiwan, but that's the truth. We even had a chance to pet a friendly Japanese cat. We were hoping to visit a fish market, but it was closing at 5 p.m. If we had gone straight there from the cruise, we wouldn't have had time to see anything else. I'm sure the fish would have been an amazing treat, but we decided to explore other places instead. Continuing our adventure, we did some shopping at Max Value, a popular supermarket that reminded me of a PX Mart in Taiwan. The highlight of our shopping trip was definitely the sushi. It was exceptional. The fish was fresh and sweet, much better than what I have had from Costco or Arky Mart in Taiwan. The rice had a slight acidity, adding to the overall deliciousness. There was a wide range of products, including many sweets, but I was on the lookout for unique flavors. Aside from a variety of strawberry options, I didn't find anything particularly different. We regretted not buying more, especially since Ishigaki Island offered fewer shopping opportunities. So if you are in Okinawa, I suggest stocking up on sweets unless you are specifically after typical gift packages. There was also a special dessert that caught my eye. According to the description, it's often used as an offering on altars. It's made from rice, soybeans, and sugar, shaped into a lotus flower, and comes in a variety of colors. We also noticed some local cookies made from purple sweet potatoes, but we didn't try them, so I can't say if they are worth the price. Japan definitely offers a much wider variety of dairy products compared to Taiwan. The selection of yogurt and cheese was more abundant than what I'm used to seeing. One thing that stood out was how affordable juice is in Okinawa compared to Taiwan. If you are planning a trip, I highly recommend picking some up. It's delicious and reasonably priced. The payment machines in Japan are also quite different from what I'm used to. After shopping, we headed to the beach to enjoy our meal before walking back to the cruise ship. We returned just after 7 p.m., right in time for dinner. The meal was another 4-course delight, and we were treated to a show featuring popular songs and dance. Though our time on Okinawa Island was short, it was filled with memorable experiences. From the historical intrigue of Shuri Castle to the shopping at Max Value, there is plenty to enjoy, even with limited time. Just be sure to plan carefully, especially if you are on a tight schedule, to make the most of what this beautiful island has to offer. The cruise itself offers various attractions, like a disco and shows, but at 10 p.m. the ship set sail for Ishigaki, and soon after our internet connection was lost. This lack of connectivity might leave some passengers bored or frustrated, especially if they have nothing else to do. Traveling with child also has its challenges, as it sometimes means you can't fully engage in all the activities you would like to. That's all for today's video, but our travel adventures aren't over yet, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time!
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.